It's true. $540 in less than 30 minutes. Earn money using Google Translate and your email address. This money-making strategy can earn you thousands of dollars even as a complete beginner. No website is needed, you don't need to show your face, and there's no experience required. I'll be breaking down how you can make money using this strategy in a 4-step process. You can also repeat this process as many times as you'd like. The only thing required of you is a computer and an internet connection. So make sure you watch this entire video all the way to the end, as each step is crucial for your success with this strategy. For step 1, this will be very important because it connects to step 4, so pay close attention throughout this entire video. So first, head over to Google and search for Google Translate. So if you aren't aware of this, most of the information people search for online is in English. I'm located in the US, so whenever I look something up online, I won't find information that's in Chinese, for example. So a trick I use is I go to Google Translate here, and I translate, let's say, English to German, for example. So let's say I were to type how to make money online. You can see here that there is a German translation right here. So what you need to understand for this video is that there are people who will write articles in different countries using different languages, and it's likely we'll never see those articles because it's not targeted for us because it's in a different language. So after you've typed this in here, you then want to copy this translated text and paste it here and then click enter. You will then be presented with a ton of brand new resources about the same topic, but in German. And this can be done in literally any other language, it doesn't have to be German. So what you want to do is scroll down and look for different ways that people want to make money online. So let's click on this link right here, for example. So clearly we can see that this article is in German, not English. So the next thing you want to do is navigate up here on your computer to this icon right here and click on it. It's a Google Translate button that will allow you to translate the information on this page to any other language you'd like. So in my case, it would be English. So if I were to just search on Google, best ways to make money online, but in English instead of German, I would have never found or even had access to this article here. This is one of the many ways I've found out about different ways to make money online. So if we look through this article, we can see that it's all been translated to English. We're going to need this article for step 4 when we learn about the free traffic method, so keep this article open on your computer. So for step 2, we need to find an offer. So when finding an offer, there are several different sites that you can choose from. A super popular site you can use is ClickBank, but there are some countries that don't let people use ClickBank, so another great website you can use worldwide is Digistore24. So for this tutorial, I'll just use ClickBank because I'm more familiar with it. So if you are unfamiliar with ClickBank or Digistore24, they are affiliate marketplace websites where you can find different products to promote as an affiliate. So if you choose to promote a product from this website, you will receive an affiliate link which you can then share online, and anytime someone purchases that product through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission off of every sale. So I'm just going to head over to clickbank.com, and since my niche is make money online, I'll try and find a product in that niche. And you can use this system with any niche you are in. It doesn't have to be make money online. And the way in which you'll promote this product will be with free traffic, so pay close attention as I will show you how to do that very soon. So I'm just going to scroll down on the left side and click on e-business and e-marketing. And you can see here that there are hundreds of different products in this category that you can promote. And just a quick side note, this whole process should take only about 15 to 30 minutes to set up, and then it will just earn you passive income over and over again. So I'm just going to find a product I like and try to look for one that has a high commission rate. So I found this one here, and you can see that you will earn this much money per commission you make. So after you've chosen your product, you will then want to click promote right here, and then you want to generate a hop link, and then you will get your affiliate link right here. And I will show you such a simple way to get free traffic and make sales repeatedly. So just copy your affiliate link here and close this window out. Now for step 3, we will want to set up our Gmail account. So just head over to Gmail and set up a brand new Gmail account. Do not use a personal Gmail account or any account you've already created. So just go to Gmail, click up here in your profile, then click add new account, and then click create account right here. After you've created your account, you will then want to click this gear icon and click see all settings. You should then see a page that looks like this. So just scroll down to the bottom until you see out of office auto reply right here. And this is the part where the automation process comes in. So I've already set this part up for myself where it says free training to make money from home in the subject line. Then in the message box, it says, if you would like to learn a proven system of affiliate marketing that works worldwide, click this link and watch the free training. Then right here is the affiliate link. But what I did was customize the link because Gmail doesn't allow you to directly copy and paste your affiliate link in their website. So in order to change the affiliate link, I went over to this website called bit.ly.com. I clicked this button here that says create new, then I clicked link, then I pasted my affiliate link in this box and clicked create down here. Then I copied my new shortened affiliate link here and went back to Gmail and pasted it right here. So with this out of office auto reply option, anytime someone emails you at this email address, which I will show you soon how they will do that, they will automatically be sent this email right here. To set that up, you just need to check this right here. This completely automated the email sending process so you don't have to do it yourself. It's a super effective way to make money online on complete autopilot with affiliate marketing. Now that we have that set up, we will move on to step 4, where I will show you how to get free traffic. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn more ways about how to make money online. So the next thing we will do is head over to Quora.com. So some people have tried this method and got their links removed, so I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening to you yourself. So let's say you search on here, how to make money online. You will then be provided with a bunch of related answers. So you'll just scroll down a bit and click here where it says past hour. You want to filter through the latest, most relevant questions so you can reply to people's questions. And by replying to the most relevant questions, there's a higher likelihood that they're already online and engaging in that forum. So you just want to click on one of these options, then right here it will give you the option to answer the question. And since this is the most recent question, a bunch of people will see your answer. And this is a completely passive income process. People will see your answer that you post here for a long time. So just click on answer right here. You'll then be given an opportunity to respond or answer right here in this box. So this is the part where the first step comes into play. The article we found and translated will be used for you to answer a bunch of these different questions people have on Quora. So what you'll want to do is just copy the text in this article and paste it right in here. But you first, of course, want to make sure that this actually answers this person's question before you paste it in here. And you will probably want to do this in sections and make sure it flows well so it looks like it was written naturally. After you've finished pasting the information in here, the way in which you can make money with this is to write a mini introduction right here that says something like, I will show you a few different ways to make money, and if you are interested, I can show you a method I've found that offers a free training to earn $500 to $1,000 every day. Just email me at, then include your email right here. But a key thing I did here was I left a space in between my email and the Gmail part so it's unclickable. That will then make people have to copy this and paste it in their email so they can email you. And when they email you, they will then be automatically sent this message right here, which includes your affiliate link. And you will definitely be surprised with the amount of people who will actually email you because you provided so much helpful information right here. And what makes this the most valuable is that no one else has access to this information in your language because you used articles from countries all around the world. It's such a powerful strategy that you can use, and you can answer so many of these questions people have on here. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.